Going back to Gimp, someone asked me how you can adjust the center for this symmetry drawing. You actually can. For those who don't know that it exists, go to Windows, Dockable Dialogs, and then use Symmetry Painting. It should pop up. So here it is on the right hand side for me. If you've got it set to none, there won't be any options. Let us start with the mirror. That's the easiest to understand, I think. You have to check one of these boxes for horizontal or vertical and you'll get the stroked line. And if I draw now, you can see it gets mirrored horizontally. Even if I draw up here, it's going to get mirrored, but it's not part of the canvas, therefore we can't see it. But if we now adjust the horizontal axis right here, do that via the scale, we can readjust this position. And now I draw outside of the canvas on top and we can see that at the bottom. Check the vertical symmetry and you've got your second line. And you can adjust the position as well using the scaling option. There's also a central symmetry, which moves it diagonally. Let me create a new layer. I make it white and I delete the other background, we don't need it anymore. Let me switch to mandala. And here it's going to get mirrored in all 4 directions and you can add more and more points. And here again you can adjust the position of the center for the mirror option using the 2 scales. In this case it's not called horizontal or vertical anymore, but it's the same. And here the points. You can see you can add more and more to that. Tiling is a little bit different. Let me create yet again a new background. Because here we don't see a line. But in principle it works the same. So you can adjust the intervals here, the shift and the max strokes. But what one asked me in the comments was looking for is this option right here. And this exists for mirror and for mandala. So then just use the scale to adjust the center position. Once again, it's under Windows, Dockable Dialogs, Symmetry Painting. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.